Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka Khubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka Umrupa, ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kilat pathai Khubor jong anong mak Shillong. Henegasngi ka arpo trik banai rumpang arjar kat khandai. Kila yo Jingshai na Tnat income tax. Halor ka hukum bala penmi ban od ek Khajna na ka yo ka kot ka bashi banai na kipai ba Nongthoh riulom jaga jela Meghalaya. Hakini ka Jingshai bala pelong da Tnat Press Information Bureau ha Shillong Press Club. Laidon lang ru u Chief Commissioner Tnat income tax Shillong uron moy das u bala long koksan. Uron moy das hawa ajing keren hakini ka jingither ka bashisngi. Ule thu ba kani ka jingither ka long ban penchai kipai ba Nongthoh ka jela Meghalaya. Ba kim dai ban sha elam bakla ba baro ki Nongthoh riulom trajela ki batrai kam ba pher ki lait na ka Jingshai od Khajna. Ule thu ba ka jing pelan ya ka jing od Khajna ka long tangi ki Nongthoh riulom ki ba shong basa ha ki schedule areas ki lait na ka Jingseu Khajna kat ba ki weipat ki ba shong basa shabaru put sam jong ki schedule areas ki ngan ha ka Jingseu Khajna.
If we see, it exempts all the 6 states nearly entirely and some part of Assam, only the Bodo area, Karbi Alam and Nongthoh. Then this is the most important conditions. First of all, the individual has to belonging to a scheduled tribe of those areas. So this is the first condition. If that person fulfills, then it can be accepted. It can be. Then another condition is income accruing and arising in these areas to the tribal individuals. So effectively, if we see, it has 3 conditions. First, the person should be belonging to a scheduled tribe, and that scheduled tribe should belong to these scheduled areas. Then that income should be accruing and arising in these areas, and the person should be resident of it. In non-specified areas like Guwahati or Delhi or anywhere else, if he is having some income there, suppose tribal person of Meghalaya is having a house in Delhi or house in Guwahati, and he is getting the rental income for that. So as per the 1026, this income is not exempt. So the purpose of this today's conference also, Vartalap also, is that we can educate the persons. There should be no misconception that only the income which is accruing and arising in these areas is exempt. If any income which is not accruing and arising in scheduled areas but accruing and arising in other areas like Guwahati or any other place, then that income is taxable. Then similarly, this entire provision is only for individuals. Only for individuals as a person. So whenever there is a firm, partnership firm, company, AOP or LLP. So now this income of these entities are taxable irrespective of the fact that all of the partners or members may be tribals or not. So this exemption is available only to individuals.